Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a chat and conversations within your ClickUp workspace. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on helpful tutorials like this one. Let's get started. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over to ClickUp, and basically we're going to go to a space. The chat and conversations will be available as a view in a project or workspace. So how does this work? You'll have this view and feature available to communicate with your teammates in a private room. This means you can organize your work tasks and have conversations when you want to share something with everyone in the group, but don't want to leave comments or schedule a meeting. Instead, you'll use the chat feature for a simple and quick exchange. Now, let's head over to the left side of the screen, scroll down within our workspace, and select a workspace we have. For example, I'm going to select the one called Idea Space. Once inside your workspace, navigate to the list where you can see all the tasks and assignees. Assignees are the people who will be part of the chat and collaborate with you. Click on View, and then we'll see all the details we need. Next, I'll search for a specific view called Chat. Once we find it, I'll click on it to communicate with our team. After adding the chat view, here we go. You'll now see the name of the view set up, and from here, you can pin the view. You can also make it a private view, where only specific people will have access based on permissions. If you prefer, you can leave the view as it is, or you can set it as the default view. You can also share the link of the view with specific people, add it to favorites, and manage the sharing and permissions. For example, if this chat is part of the idea space, only people within that space will be able to see and use the chat. If you have different teams within your organization, setting up separate chat views for each team or project can keep communication more organized. You can also use custom permissions to ensure that the right people have access to each chat space. So, what can we do within the chat? First, you can mention people, add files or attachments, assign tasks, or comment with actions. You can also use emojis, record video clips, or even record a voice clip to make communication easier and faster. Additionally, you can add text headings, forms, embedded websites, apps, or any files you need to share. You can use the / command, holler, to quickly access different options. For example, if you need to add a heading, just type heading, and you can create a more structured conversation. This helps in organizing your chat and makes it easier to navigate through important messages. You can also react to messages with emojis or comments. For example, let's say you mention a task like collect resources. Do this task, please. You can then use the chat to discuss the progress or clarify any questions with your team in real time. The best part is that all conversations are stored in this chat. So whenever you return, you can find everything set up and organized in one place. You can reply, assign actions, and even edit messages if needed.
So let's move to the settings of COP.
Plus, you can use the brain feature to set up AI tasks, helping you automate repetitive processes and making your communication even more efficient. If you're managing multiple tasks or projects, using threads within your chat can help keep specific conversations organized. For instance, you can create separate threads for different tasks or topics, which will keep the main chat focused and clutter-free. That was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By using the chat and conversations feature in ClickUp, you'll be able to communicate efficiently with your team, keep everything organized, and make collaboration a breeze. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with any questions or feedback. I'd love to hear how you're using ClickUp's chat features in your own workspace, and if you have any tips or tricks to share. Also, let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see in future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next one.